Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you top 10 best Casper ecosystem coins here. Mostly are meme coins, and these coins are still very low cap, very undervalued coin because friends still we not have massive high for KRC20 coins. But friends, definitely in coming future we can see massive high for this ecosystem also because Casper is more strong blockchain, more secure blockchain than Solana, than BNB. Okay, so it's possible that definitely we can see a massive trend for KRC20 coins. At that time, these teen stands coin at that time these 10 coins has potential to be the next multi-billion dollars market cap coins. So video has been very, very special, very important. You have to judge for the complete video here. So friends, first of all these coins you can buy from CoinX and from Bionomy, both central exchanges. Links are already provided in description. You can check out both central exchanges if you not have account there. So first coin is Seal. This is newly launched coin in a Casper ecosystem. You can see friends, $0.18 current price. I'm watching this coin since market was I think $4 to $5 million. But this coin is unstoppable. You can see friends, all-time high price. Okay, was you can see friends right now $0.19 and coin is almost 500% pumped here. And circulation supply, you can see friends, is only I think total supply is for 240 million, but circulation only 51 million. So that's the only worry thing about this coin. Otherwise this coin is very good. And this is Casper Dex. You can see friends, DeFi, MA, Casper and Dex. So this coin is listed in CoinX right now only. That is the only central exchange where this coin is listed. Maybe we can see its listing on many other major central exchanges. So my market cap target for Seal coin is around $3 to $5 billion. Whereas the second coin is Nacho the Cat. You can see I'm also holding this coin in CoinX. You can see friends, current price even 3 times 0, $30. And this coin was created after Casper Chance founders cat name, just like Myro Islana ecosystem founders dog name and Juni Su ecosystem founders dog. So that's why Casper ecosystems founders cat name is Nacho. That's why Nacho is created here. And Nacho right now is now second high market coin in Casper ecosystem after Zeal, because Zeal right now flipped Nacho and become the number one market. So Nacho is still number two, but I think Nacho is very good. My price target, my market cap target for Nacho is at least 1 to maybe again $3 billion, because still this coin is not on any tier 1 central exchange. But friends, definitely when we see a massive trend for KRC20 meme coin, at that time Nacho has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap coin. Third one is Casper, ghost of Casper ecosystem. You can see friends, I'm also holding this coin. I buy this coin around $10, but right now due to market is going down, I have only $1.8 but Casper only. And I'm not going to sell Casper at this low price. I'm wait for Casper to move upward. Definitely is possible when crypto market will be recovered, when we see high for KRC20 meme coins in crypto market. At that time Casper has also potential to be the next maybe up to $1 billion market coin. Fourth one is called XPress. This coin is also listed in CoinX and also on MEXC. Okay, around max supply is 4 billion coin, and this is AI meme coin in KRC20 ecosystem. You can see friends, trading volume is amazing. $400,000 trading volume in just MEX exchange. So this is good friends. And right now this coin is mostly meme coins. Altcoins are in dip. You can see friends in weekly chart, in this all-time chart, this coin is in its bottom right now, but god has so potential to be the next multi-billion dollars market coin. Like you see friends, I buy this coin I think around $15, but right now I'm almost 3x loss in here, $3.4 only, but I'm going to hold this coin also. As fifth one is Kango, one of my most favorite meme coin in KRC20 ecosystem. You can see friends, 287 billion coin supply, and its market cap is I think around $2 to $3 million only. Due to recent dump, this coin is also barely dump here, and this coin is no doubt looking good. Also holding this coin, you can see friends, $69 for Kango. Buy this coin I think around $150 due to recent war condition and tariff news. This coin is also barely dump here. So right now I have only $69 for Kango. Not I'm holding this coin for long term all, but I think I'm going to hold this coin for at least $10 to $20 for long term. And friends, my price prediction, my target for Kango is again same like Zeal and Najoket, $1 to $3 billion market for Kango. Sixth one is Caspi. Okay, KRC20 Cat meme coin, just like Najo the Cat. You can see friends, $8,700 trading volume in last 24 hours. Current price 3.5 times 0 at $5. Recently, coin make a good move when crypto market was recovered 3.4 times 0 to $1. But right now, again, as market dump, so KRC20, this Caspi coin is also in massive dump here. You can see friends in weekly chart. This coin is also in its almost bottom, but no doubt definitely it's possible that crypto market will be in good days soon. We can see massive upside movement for Bitcoin and entire crypto market soon. These bad days are not forever. Definitely we can see some greenery soon in crypto market. At that time, Caspi coin can also recover, and we can see its market around $1 billion in this year mega bull run. At one is Koba, a super low cap meme coin in this list. Its market I think around only $100,000, and friends, you see Koba's name 3.4 times 053 dollars current price. Trading volume just $9,000 only, because this coin I think is only listed in Bioeconomy exchange, as I will show you. I also buy this coin at these level, but this coin is also dump here due to again friends market is not going well, so this is only buying time. It's not the selling time or being worried that crypto market is done or anything like that. It's just a dip. It's just a dip and a buying opportunity, nothing else. And friends, number 9th meme coin is Croc. I recently buy this coin I think about I think $7 or $8, but right now I have only $5.4 worth Croc. And Croc is also dump. You can see friends, I buy this level, but coin is also dump here. $21,000 trading volume is somehow good, and coin was created December 5th, and Croc has also potential to be the next big meme coin. And friends, 10th and last meme coin, definitely this coin is highly risky, but its name is Bird. And you can see friends, Bird is 100% fair launch meme coin in KRC20 ecosystem. The creator of Astro Art Caspa 8,000 followers for this super low cap meme coin, and October 2024 this coin was created. Almost this coin is I think 10 months old, still active in crypto market. You can see friends, 2 hours ago they have posted about this coin. And so that's why friends, I think this coin has also potential to be the next big meme coin. Coin is listed in Zeal Swap, that is already I share you is native coin Zeal, and in listed I think CoinEx. Okay, CoinEx is also listed Bitcoin. So no doubt friends, there are some very super low cap and highly risky coins in this list also, but high risk means high potential reward are also expected here. So if you want to take risk, then you have to make investment here. Otherwise this video is no any financial advice video. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not responsible for any of your loss or here. Do your own research before investing here.